Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlock Betway account this 2025. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to unlock your Betway account. First, open your web browser, search for Betway, and click the first official link. Log in using your username and password, or click Forgot Login if you need to reset it. Once signed in, head to the support section and select FAQ or frequently asked question. Scroll down to the verification section and find I forgot my login details and now my account is locked. Click it to learn why accounts get locked and how to resolve it. Then click the green live chat link to connect with customer service. Simply explain that your account is locked and they'll guide you step by step to restore access. Be polite, thank them for their help, and you'll be back into your account in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.